matrix number is 255463.
What are variables? In statistics, a variable has two defining characteristics. First, a variable is an attribute that describes a person, place, things, or idea. Second, the value of variable can vary from one entity to another. It's easy to get confused between qualitative variables and quantitative variables. Quantitative means it can be counted. Qualitative means it is a description. The simplest way to classify quantitative or qualitative variable is this. If it can be added, it's quantitative. Qualitative variables can't be added. There are 3 steps. First step, think of a category for the item and jot the category down on a piece of paper. Second, rank or order the items in your category. Anything with number or amount can be ranked or ordered. If you find it impossible to rank or order your item, you have a qualitative item. Third, make sure you haven't added information. Verify the variables. For example, if the item is potatoes, it's a qualitative. And if the item is number of potatoes sold, it is a quantitative variables. Here's a quick look at difference between qualitative and quantitative data. First, the age of your car. It's a quantitative. Second, the number of hair on your knuckle. It's a quantitative. Third, the softness of a cat. It's a qualitative. Fourth, the color of the sky. It's a qualitative. Remember, if we're measuring a quantity, we're making a statement about a quantitative data. If we're describing a qualities, we're making a statement about qualitative data.
Hi, my name is Atira and I'm going to explain to you about discrete variables and continuous variables. I will show to you about the discrete variables and continuous variables. This is the comparison between the discrete variables and continuous variables. Discrete variables, from the meaning we can know it is a countable number of values, while continuous variables is uncountable number of value. The range of specific number is complete, while continuous variables is incomplete. The value we can obtain from discrete variables is by counting, while continuous variables is by measuring. And the classification for discrete variables is non-overlapping, while the continuous variable is overlapping. We can assume that discrete variables is distinct or separate value, while the continuous variables is any value between the two values or between the interval of number. Discrete variables is represented by isolated points, while the continuous variables is represented by connected points.
Primary data. What is primary data? Primary data is data observed or collected directly from first-hand experience. Primary data can be explained, therefore, as information collected from sources such as personal interview, questionnaire, or surveys. Second is secondary data. What is secondary data? Secondary data is published data, and the data collected in the past or other parties is called secondary data. Secondary data is information that is already available somewhere, whether it be in journals, company records, or on the internet. Hello, I'm Yasira from Chocolate Holding Company. I would like to run a simple survey on you. Can you spare a little of your time for me?
Sure. My name is Yue Qiuxia. I will introduce you the statistics. This is the simplest way to describe what is statistic. First is problem. Second, collect data. And here is how we collect data. Next is organize data and analyze data and conclusion. And last is decision making. This is an example of statistics in business, such as quality assurance, managerial management, financial analysis, human resource management, production and operation, budgeting, and marketing management.